The Carlton Estate is a unique garden resort complex that brings together both architectural elegance and historic charm in this popular Inner West Village location. Set on a massive 3-acre site, this exclusive gated complex of 80 residences has been designed to complement this stunning 1884 Victorian mansion. A huge 75% of the land has been kept as open space with rolling lawns, a veggie patch and over 40 mature trees, creating a peaceful, park-like ambience and sense of community. The original stables building has been converted to create a resort-style recreation centre with sparkling outdoor pool and air-conditioned gym. Completed in 2014, the Cable building provides 29 apartments set over 4 floors with video phone entry and lift to security basement parking and storage. Kennedy Associates Architects designed the boutique low-rise apartment buildings to maximise space, light and views while complementing the historic residence. Located on the 3rd floor of the Cable building, this oversized 1-bedroom apartment has a generous floor plan of 95 square metres, also with an ideal northerly aspect with day-long sunshine. Constructed to the highest standards and immaculately maintained, this easy care entertainer features engineered timber floors, premium finishes, air conditioning and gas bayonet heating. The open plan living area provides plenty of space for lounge and dining, with patio doors flowing to the large covered balcony, capturing all-day sun and peaceful leafy views to the city skyline. The kitchen offers everyday convenience and easy entertaining with stone bench tops, Smeg gas cooktop, dishwasher, loads of storage and an extra wide breakfast bar. The king-size bedrooms have large built-ins and quality carpet for quiet comfort. The luxurious bathroom features a bath and separate rainforest shower, and there's also a concealed laundry in the kitchen. This designer home is a superior starter, an exceptional entry into the Inner West, a perfect downsizer or quality investment. This leafy street is moments to local cafes and just a few minutes walk to Summerhill Village shops, cafes, restaurants and 400 metres walk to the railway station. A pet-friendly gated community, there's plenty of space to exercise your animals and it's just moments to Ashfield Park. Commuters will love the proximity to the M4 and West connects to the city and links to M8 and M5 motorways with easy access to the airport, eastern suburbs and south. A country quiet sanctuary with city convenience. For further information, please contact Roger Mickhail Property.